Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to remove an announcement group from your favorites list on WhatsApp. If you've been wondering how to declutter your favorites and remove those pesky announcement groups, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can easily manage your WhatsApp favorites like a pro. First things first, let's open up the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Once you're in, you'll see the familiar chat interface. Now, look at the top of your screen. You should see a tab labeled Favorites. This is where all your favorite chats and groups are neatly organized for quick access. Tap on the Favorites tab to open up your list of favorite chats and groups. Scroll through until you find the announcement group you want to remove. Here's where it gets interesting. Instead of just tapping on the group, we're going to use a little-known trick. Press and hold your finger on the announcement group you want to remove. This action will bring up a menu of options. But we're not done yet. Look to the top right corner of your screen. You should see 3 little dots appear. These dots are your gateway to more options. Tap on those 3 dots, and a new menu will pop up. In this menu, you'll see an option that says, Remove from Favorites. This is exactly what we're looking for. Go ahead and tap on that option. And just like that, you've successfully removed the announcement group from your favorites list. It's that simple. The group will still be in your regular chat list, but it won't clutter up your favorites anymore. This little trick is perfect for keeping your favorites list tidy and focused on the chats and groups you interact with most frequently. It's especially useful if you're part of multiple announcement groups that you don't need quick access to all the time. Remember, you can always add the group back to your favorites later if you change your mind. WhatsApp makes it easy to customize your experience, so don't be afraid to experiment with your favorites list to find what works best for you. That's all there is to it. You're now a WhatsApp favorites management expert. Happy chatting.